Deck steps loose or damaged. Fixing them right can save you from accidents and a big headache later on. So, first thing, check all the screws and bolts holding your deck steps together. If they're loose, just grab a screwdriver or a wrench and tighten them up. That's usually the easiest fix. If you spot any wood that's cracked or rotted, don't try to patch it with glue or filler. Swapping out the damaged step is way safer. When you replace treads, make sure you use pressure-treated wood or composite material to resist weather damage. Also, double-check that the steps are level and even, because uneven steps can mess with your balance. If you see nails popping out, pull them out and replace them with screws, since screws hold better over time. Don't forget to look at the risers too. They need to be sturdy to support each step. Lastly, if your deck steps wobble even after tightening, consider adding some extra support brackets underneath for that solid feel. One of the biggest issues with deck step repairs is ignoring loose connections and thinking it's no big deal. This can lead to dangerous falls, so always tighten screws and bolts first. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of wood. Regular lumber won't hold up outdoors and will rot fast, so pick pressure-treated or composite instead. A third problem is not checking for levelness and stability after repair, which can cause trips or uneven wear. Fix this by using a level and reinforcing weak spots with brackets or additional screws. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who know decks inside and out without the stress of endless searching. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for real pros to get their deck jobs done right.